is being up here tonight. I'm very thankful because as a mother, I'm very happy to be given a second chance to prove myself here. And what makes me blush more is my faith in God and my loving family who is here tonight to support me, and to the people who believes in my potential.
Okay, thanks. It's supposed to be the most difficult question. What quality of Binibining Cebu is most important to you, and how can you take it, or how can you make it Cebu a better place? I'll repeat myself. What quality of a Binibining Cebuana is most important to you, and how can you use it to make Cebu a better place?
The qualities of a Binibining Cebu is traits of being resilient, genuine, and faithful Cebuana. She should have the heart of a true Binibining Cebu. And if I win this crown tonight, I will make a platform for all single moms like me. I want to be the voice to encourage all young single moms that it is never too late to achieve and fulfill your dreams in life. Because in life, we continue to experience, because from experience we learn how to grow. From growing, we learn how to give. From giving, we also let others experience life to the fullest. And that is what I plan to do as your Binibining Cebu 2018.
Thank you very much.
Minglanilla, you have 30 seconds to answer your first question and 60 seconds to answer the last. You may speak Cebuano. I must let us translate, Ani. Please, if you feel comfortable in Cebuano, we encourage the local dialect here. We are very proud of our Bisaya language. So the question is, what makes you blush?
What makes me blush? King akong crush. Ma-inspire ko sa akong buhat unon. And I think gusto na ko siya mauyab. That's why crush na siya.
She said what makes her blush is her crush, and that she hopes that they will be boyfriend and girlfriend one day, but she's focused on her studies for now, so maybe in the future.
Sa usa ka Cebuana, kaya ang pagserbisyo, pagtabang sa mga tao nga nanginangahanglan, o pag-lift up each and every one of us, because that's what Binibining Cebu should do to everyone. We should lift up each other and reach for our dreams, and what we are today will become better future for all of us. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
What makes me blush is my boyfriend, of course. Even though we've been together for 7 years, it's just that every time I look at him, I still blush. And he keeps me inspired, and he's always there every time I have every decision that I make. He's always there supporting me, and he's just so sweet and kind.
Thank you.
The best trait to be is humility. Because no matter how you think, because no matter how rich you think you are, all these material things that you have right now doesn't matter when we reach the eternal life. Because God is always there to protect us. And how can I bring this to Cebu? It's just to show it to the world. I'm not in the world, but in Cebu also. And that's the best quality of Cebuana, of a Cebuana. Thank you.
Thank you very much. How are you?
I'm good.
Okay.
Call me old school, but what makes me blush is old romance. Bringing flowers, going to movie dates, going to the park for a little walk. And I think there's still a number of women here who agrees that old school or old classic love is still one of the best. What quality of a Binibining Cebuana is most important to you, and how can you make Cebu a better place? I think the most important quality of a Binibining Cebu is humility, because once you get crowned as Binibining Cebu, opportunities, audiences will come clashing to you, and they will look at you like the most important person in the world. But when you keep your feet on the ground, that will make you more memorable. Your reign will forever be not just in the paper, but in everyone's hearts. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Blush.
The thought of that I'm being loved back for the people who loves me, the support that I'm getting from my fellow Bogohanons, who from the very start are very supportive. The unending support of the Bogohanons makes me really blush. And of course, I want to say I love you so much and thank you for supporting me all the way. The quality of a Cebuana that is very important for me is the willingness to never give up, the determination of not failing. Because whoever people tries to break you down, and whatever situation that is really hard, and a proud Cebuana, a fighter Cebuana, never gives up. And it makes Cebu a better place. For Cebuana makes Cebu a better place, for we are successful in our respective endeavors. And I think that's the very important quality a Cebuana have. Thank you.
My kid.
My man. I love love, and I believe in the power of love. Love is all around us, and I know every one of us here, love makes us blush. That's what makes me blush.
And what quality of a Binibining Cebuana is most important to you, and how can you use it to make Cebu a better place?
I think the most important quality that a Binibining Cebu should have, or a Cebuana, is honesty. If you're honest with yourself, and you know who you are, you know your true core values, and you're able to share that, especially as someone who is here on this platform tonight where everybody listens to your voice, you have to be honest. People look up to you. You have to be a good leader. You have to be believable. Honest leaders, queens, stand out. And that's the most important value that a Cebuana should have.
What makes me blush, to be honest, every time when I see my boyfriend. Every time when he's coming to me, it always reminds me of that first love of sight. And that makes me blush. So hi to my boyfriend.
All right, so here.
For me, the best quality of a Cebuana, someone who has the compassion. Because I came here in Binibing Cebu believing that I can make a big difference. Not just only in my life, but to the thousands of millions of people out there. I can make a difference through touching them, inspiring them, and generating love. And that is the most important thing for me, compassion. Because through compassion, I can help many people. And that's the main reason why I'm here, to make a big difference.
Thank you. What makes you blush?
What makes me blush is when I saw my son laughing at me. Because the moment that I saw my child when I gave birth, that's the time that my tears fell down, and that's the greatest happiness that I've ever felt in my life. The quality that a pure Cebuana should possess is a quality who knows how to understand. Because if you know how to understand, you know how to weigh things. You will not consider things who's poor or who's rich. And if you have that quality, I know and I can say that you can be a Binibining Cebu 2018.
Thank you very much.
What makes me blush? I blush when I see kids smiling. I really love kids and I really love how they play and how they adapt to things so easily. I love the kids and it makes me really blush.
And what quality of a Binibining Cebuana is most important to you, and how can you use it to make Cebu a better place?
A Cebuana is a woman of compassion. A Cebuana is a woman of character, of integrity and love. But most importantly, a Cebuana is a woman of hope. I am a Cebuana. And I love Cebu, and I will do everything I can. May it be under the sun, in the forest, near the homeless, in the kids, wherever. Put me there and I will lend my hand, and I will use my voice as a power into making Cebu a better place. Thank you and good evening.
Good evening. What makes me blush is when people call me "Guapa kaayo ka." It's because of your dimples. And I'm very blessed to have this gift from God, because with this, naka-attract ko mga tao which people really appreciate me. Thank you. Important value that the Binibining Cebu should be is the flexibility. Able to adopt the diverse culture, diverse heritage, and that we're able to cooperate or to be united as one, because I believe that the core value of humanity is to bring happiness and love, most especially to our parents and more so to the rest of the world. Good evening.
Okay, with all honesty, I'm getting red every time I'm nervous. But I'm here in front of you, fighting my fears with all confidence. And that's all.
Okay. Here you go with question.
We Cebuanos are very known to be the strongest person here in our country. We are known to be the most palaban person here in our country. And I think we should, every time people might judge us or put us down, I always telling this to myself, that no matter what happens, let them be. And let our success will be our greatest revenge. And that will be all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Tracy.
For the win.
Good evening, everyone. I'm very excited and nervous at the same time.
Receiving compliments from everyone, maybe from my family, from my friends, or even from a stranger, it makes me blush. It's just really heartwarming to know that people appreciate you, and I think we should all do that. Compliment one another, lift each other up, be happy, and make others happy as well. A Binibining Cebuana is resilient. In times of adversities that more often than not come our way, no matter our gender, our religion, or our status in life, we always rebuild, recover, and come out stronger. And I believe that is exactly what we need to make Cebu a better place to live in. Wow. To live through the hard times, not making excuses, but finding solutions instead. To survive and be happy no matter the circumstance. And of course, to use